Hello. It is so windy. I look crazy. That's okay. I'm so car. Just enjoying my lunchtime. I feel like walking today. Just chilling out over here. It's a lot of tourists and people. I didn't feel like people in a whole lot today. So I'm just enjoying this breeze and the outdoors. It's just as well. I just love being out in nature. So, yes. Yes. Let's see. People are out. People are out. Spring break too, so a lot of people traveling with their children, etc. So yeah. But I hope you're having a good day, blessed day. You're not letting the devil steal your joy, and you're not forgetting to smile, and you're remembering your why. Your why will keep you focused and rooted on what's important in this thing called life.